At this time, the Kimsel High School Madrigals, under the direction of Miss Kathy Landis, will perform the national anthem. Please rise.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through